Hey guys, what's up? I'm so excited here. So I just subscribed for 3 months for the Slay Glam box, and this is actually very interesting because this is not what they had for their packaging before. So I'm excited to see what I got in here. So I opened it up. Of course, this is what I got in here. I don't have a lot of time, but I'm going to show you all what I got. And also, if you get, hold on. Also, if you guys want to see like a whole try on with these products, just let me know. All right, so here is some products right here that I got. I'm so excited. So excited. All right, so Bella Pierre Cosmetics. Ooh. Don't wear a lot of lipsticks, but that is a really pretty shade. This is shade called Antique Pink. That's interesting. Ooh, look at that. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Wait, they used to have like a card in here? No, they do not. Okay, well, that's cool. That's fine. All right, and then, ooh, Bella Pierre liquid, not liquid, Antique Pink. Oh, they go together. That's awesome. Way to, oh my. I hope that's not broken. Pencil, lip pencil, lip liner. So of course that matches. If you guys, like I said, if you guys want to see a whole try on, let me know. This is Balm Vanilla. Oh, it's a lip balm. Ooh. Oh, it does smell like, it smells like vanilla. That kind of like, I don't really like the smell of vanilla that much, but that seems cool. I'll give that a try. Right now I cannot because I'm wearing liquid lipstick and I don't feel like doing that. Okay, so the next thing is the Oakland Cosmetics Spectrum eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I saw this that they had this on their in their subscription box. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to give this a try. Cannot wait. Yeah, I think I might do like a small like little try on. But look at these shades. Aren't they so cute? And it comes with a little mirror. Let's try them. Ooh, they're ooh, buttery soft. I'm so excited. Has anyone ever heard? Ooh, you can tell that we'll get dirty. Look at those shades. Those are pretty. So I'm excited that I am getting this subscription back, mainly because, you know, I've had this subscription like a long time ago, and I kind of like indie subscriptions, mainly because they're so nice. But oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Okay, so let's see if I can get this one off. There we go. This is says Rude, and then X Kyo footwear, boots collection. I don't know. Comes with a nice little mirror. The shades right here, super pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. This doesn't really seem like it's very pigmented. I think it's like a glitter, what's it called? A glitter shimmer. I don't know about that, you guys. Oh, this is like not a very good palette, I don't think. I don't think this is a very good palette at all. Oh man. I mean, it's very cute. Don't get me wrong, it is super cute, but I don't think I literally would just throw this palette away. I don't think it's worth it at all. I wish I would have the prices. I don't have the prices. Let me see if let me see if they have prices. So, okay, hold on. No, it doesn't have prices. Slay Glam, what are we doing here? Alright. Well, I'm sorry, you guys. There's no prices. All in all, I really do like this box. Oh, I forgot to show you guys as well. There's Bella Pierre Clear Lip Gloss. Ooh. I had to like double dip in here, or like not double. I had to like do triple. But seems to be nice. Sorry. All right, so you guys, I hope you all like this video. Oh my gosh, look how matte that looks. Oh, well, it is definitely it transfers a good bit, you know. That's lovely, right? All right, you guys, I hope you all like this video. Tomorrow's video is going to be something different as well. It's going to be, you'll see. I'm excited. I cannot wait. So tomorrow's video will be ColourPop, and maybe I'll give some of this stuff a try. I don't know. I don't know about those, but I mean, ooh, even or like all of this stuff. I'm so excited. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye, guys.